Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're having a very quick unboxing of this special edition of The Last of Us Part 2. Now this came a bit late because of all the delays in the logistics these days. During the lockdown, postal services were doing much better. They were delivering much faster, but nowadays postal services are taking much more time to deliver after things opened up again. I was actually considering whether I should be going for the special edition version of this or the collector's edition, but the thing is, I'm running out of space with all my collectibles, and I took a look at the statue, and honestly I didn't feel the statue that comes with the collector's edition is worth it, or any of the other add-ons, so I skipped on that. Honestly, the thing that matters to me the most about this special edition is the Steelbook, so there you have it, guys. Now without further ado, I'm gonna take a look at what's inside the special edition of The Last of Us Part 2. I'm not bummed about the scuffing on the box here because this sold out ages ago, and it took me some effort to score a copy of this. So actually it kept on popping on Amazon and Best Buy and selling out in seconds, so even Best Buy canceled my order when I ordered it, and I had to wait for it and hunt it on Amazon, and here we are. So let's take a look what's inside. Alright, before we take a look what's inside, actually let's take a look at the back and the sleeve here. So there's The Last of Us Part 2 Special Edition. Got the Steelbook, the Artbook, only on PlayStation obviously. Nice, Dark Horse. So the Artbook is by Dark Horse. If you're not familiar with this company, it's a very dark comic book company. So here's the Steelbook. Nice. We've got the two major characters here. Let's open it. Pretty sure there's a code inside, so I'm gonna try to hide that. Okay. Wow, the finishing on this Steelbook is very nice. It's matte. It's a beautiful picture. I think does it? No, it doesn't connect. I was wondering whether it connects or not. So let's see. There it is. The Last of Us Part 2, 2 discs. Let's see which one. So this one is the data disc, and this is the play disc. Obviously this one has the code, and the inside of the Steelbook isn't all that impressive. It's just a background here, as you can see, and that's my kid in the background, almost as excited as I am to play The Last of Us Part 2. Kidding. And finally, let's take a look at the art book, the art of Last of Us Part 2. Nice, nice. This is typical Dark Horse drawing style. If you're familiar with Dark Horse, the comic book company, their comics are pretty dark. I like them. They mostly do horror and supernatural kind of comics. Very nice work. Makes me even more excited to play the game. Nice. This is the monster from the ads here. So let's see. Got the art book, Steelbook, and the collector box. No space to fit it, but get the idea. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and see you on the next one.